Good morning. Hi. I like the way the sun comes in the room. This is our room in Trieste, just outside of Venice. Venice. Got a nice view out there. Some green, some construction going on there. But trees and the sun. Okay, let's get some coffee. Let's just get some nice wallpaper here. Bathroom and really nice Italian furniture. Very, very charming. Very charming. We're having an espresso. We got this machine to work over there. This one says Intensità 9 out of 10. We finished our stay at Dolce Laguna. We had a lovely time here. Very quiet. Returning the key. There's only like 5 units here. It's a nice little Airbnb unit close to the airport. Bye bye. Dolce Laguna. Off to the next adventure. We're on the bus now from Tessera. This is bus number 5 going to Venice. Main train station, Santa Lucia. From there, we're going to take the train. I just booked the train. It's a direct train. It's like 2 hours and 5 minutes to Trieste. We'll get there around 3 o'clock. Everything is booked on the phone. It's going to be a nice scenic route along the coastline. Welcome back. We are in Venice now. Venice. We took the bus, and this is the bridge. It goes to the train station. We're gonna walk over there. We heard Jeff Bezos had a big wedding here.
We just missed it.
So we thought we were gonna crash the party. He supposedly spent 55 million on the wedding, and supposedly it brought in 1 billion for Venice. 1 billion in tourism revenue. So we show up here, we get here, and the party's over. There's no more after party. We missed it. So we're gonna catch the train. We bought the ticket. We're going off to Trieste. My wife is a true trooper. She wants to carry her suitcase herself. So I couldn't take more. There's a step missing now. Oops. Gotta pay attention.
Okay, now it's flat. Oh, it's gorgeous here.
It's beautiful. That's Maria. Behind us is the famous Chiesa di San Piccolo. And over there behind us is the train station. That's where we're going to catch the train. We're on the train. We found it. Platform 1M. And from there, we're the only ones now. Some other people are getting on the train. The train station is always super busy. We've been here before. But this train is empty for now. It's probably going to fill up.
Yeah.
The train is leaving in 20 minutes, so we're the first ones on. And it's going to be a scenic ride. And we've done good. It's been nice to see Venice again. We love Venice. We didn't spend much time this time. We just had a little time here. We did not stay overnight. in Venice. We stayed outside. We enjoyed it. One more thing about airports and train stations. We were in Istanbul and we had some food. This was the only flight that was not a direct flight. Every flight on our journey around the world, I booked direct flights. And no flight was longer than, the longest one was the one from Hawaii to Japan to get away from over the Pacific, and all the other flights are shorter. So Dubai to Istanbul was, so that we had to break down into two flights because there was no direct flight to get us to the cruise ship, which starts from Trieste. We had to fly from Dubai to Istanbul. We had 2 hours over there, and then we took another flight from Istanbul to Marco Polo Airport, which is Venice. In Istanbul, we had 2 hours, and we had some food there, and the place looked very decent, but there were no prices on the food. Be aware. So we ended up with what was a salad and
Two salads. And 2 little wraps.
and it ended up being $50, something like that, which was
Not including drinks.
too much. And so we learned we only go to places where they advertise the prices up front, because otherwise it's surprise, and that's what happened. Okay, cool. We just got here, so this is our apartment in the center of, we have a full kitchen. I didn't.
We're in the center of we have a full kitchen.
We're in the center of Trieste. Apartment number 3. This is cool. Tall ceilings. I love it. My kind of closet.
Okay.
Easy access. And let's see. Corner unit. And. Where's the ocean? Oh, we can't see the ocean. It's behind the trees there. It's to the right, but behind the trees. You get a couch. AC, nice and cool. I love it. And the bathroom. Very clean. Super. We have a balcony. How cool is that? Little balcony. This place was probably built like 200 years ago. Water heater. And we have a washer. Wow. This is a full.
Look, they have the old-fashioned coffee thing.
Okay. This is a very unique door design. Check this out. This door swivels. See how it swivels and how it closes. So it doesn't swing out all the way. It swings out on this arm and swivels away out of the way. How cool is that? On the other side, this is how it looks. See?